Welcome back to Science with Greg. Today we're going to be taking it's gone up my ass. We're taking apart a printer. Right, let's go. So in today's product review, if you want to buy this, link in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon page where you can buy yourself a Dell printer and scanner. Everything works perfectly. Removing. Yep. Oh yeah. That's an ornament right there. It's like a little mini whiteboard.
A one-use whiteboard known as paper.
It's an ink cartridge.
Yes.
It's like the Arrival logo.
Screwdriver.
Jacksepticeye got that tattooed on him. One there.
Jackspedicy.
Good old memes, eh?
So, what's been going on with you, Jake?
Not much. Been writing some diss tracks.
Yeah?
Yeah, some raps. That's about it. Also, we hate all our fans. There's a power supply in there. What's actually in this?
Dunno.
Look how close I was to hitting that capacitor. Yeah, well, we'll just leave it in that pan. There we go. Also, I've just noticed there's some gas canisters over there. That's kind of dangerous. I want to hammer them with a sledge.
Where I put it in here, didn't I? No, screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver?
There, on this handy shelf.
Yeah, we weren't friends in school, actually.
No.
And then it was only when you left.
Yeah. That's really weird.
Yeah.
Going out. Yeah, I've been, drinking.
Yeah. You met anyone?
The police came.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was a good laugh. I like the sound. That's moderately satisfying, actually. Oh, there's like a tube in here.
Are these the same tubes that were in the monitor?
I don't know. I think it's a light that travels along, lights up the paper so then the scanner can see it. Oh.
And it's broken.
Oh. Whoa, what the f is this? That must check how fast it's going. That's weird.
Is it rotary encoder, I think it's called? I'm not sure.
So like when you set it to different speeds?
It knows how many degrees it is, so it can go to a certain place. All of those black lines has a number.
So it represents where it is on...
Yeah. Whereas a normal motor just spins one direction or the other, this knows where it is.
I give this a strength rating of 5.8.
Out of what?
15. Yep, that's glass. Bit of sticky glass.
Stick it on the wall with the other.
This could clean up quite nice. It's just got a sponge in it. Isn't it? I'm like a tribe, man.
Ribbon cables, eh?
Wow, we've got some interesting things in here. We've got like motors. Quite big motors, actually. Yeah.
Cool.
That's a speed. A speed?
I don't even know that.
Beep.
Of course it does the beep, that's it.
Yeah.
You could get your printer to play music.
You could.
You could.
That's interesting.
If we just connect these two to an aux and plug your phone in, that's literally all you need. That's quite a long motor.
Yeah, kind of a bit scary to touch it really, isn't it? What are these, like, tubes?
I think it's just support.
Oh.
Or probably where cables go.
Oh look, that's
Wi-Fi.
Why the f would they put a mini USB in there?
It's got a MAC address, so I'm pretty sure this is the Wi-Fi. You know what that is? It's got a squiggle on the back.
My stingnails thing has been stinging this entire time, but I've hardly noticed. But it's just there. I can just feel it. It's just letting me know that it stung me with the. Oh,
there we go.
It's
forward, not backward. Putting up quite a fight.
It pops off.
So the LCD is there.
Like disconnect. Disconnect.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We could just keep it as one thing and then...
You want to keep it as one thing?
I mean, all of these points are the buttons. So you could literally just solder 2 wires and then that button does something.
You're really going to do that?
No, probably not. Explain this piece of art to me.
they go in walls to bind them together. Unless I'm mistaken.
And how does that make you feel?
I don't know. Kind of makes me feel uneasy. Like, I don't know why. I don't know who decided that was a good way to store them, because like it's not really good for easy access. Like, I'm just gonna take one of these. Something fun in there.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's the ink area. Oh, hello a minute. We've got the injectors and some fiddly foo-far stuff. It's like all copper.
Look at that.
Yeah, but look in here.
Ooh.
Look.
Ooh.
It's like a connecting thing.
Is that ink? Or...
I think it was struggling to focus because... Oh, that's way better. Gotta go fast. Oh, sick, man. So I'm the most techie one here. I know all about tech.
The intellectual.
I did IT in school for about 3 months, and I left because I was too clever. So we're taking this control panel off. Oh, there's a spider. Cool little sleevey thing. USB, SD card reader. That could be useful for something.
But the reader module is part of the circuit, and we don't know which part it is.
Right.
So, not really.
Oh, a speaker.
8-ohm speaker, I guess.
Will I stab it, or are we going to try and play
is it?
music to it?
It is 8-ohm. I've seen so many of these in my time. I recognised it.
Nah. Get it focused. Right, there's some tube here. You see that? I'm like squeezing the tube.
Oh yeah.
And there's like stuff coming out. Whoa. Oh, it's covered in ink. So this pipe goes like all the way around. It's covered in ink. Look. So it goes down there and then round the back. And like up and then into this like chamber. So look. Okay. Right, look in here. So basically, this cog sits in here, but it pushes on a bit of the pipe and it like creates pressure as it spins around, because like it's got like a weird
Cam.
yeah, and it like pumps the liquid through. This I can't undo. And farts at the end.